Hi and welcome back. I remember as a young boy going off on a fishing trip with my father, and we went to the Zambèzy Valley, and one day we took a little walk along the river edge. We had our fishing equipment with us, and we came to what we thought was a great spot to fish, and we had to come down a steep rocky incline. So my father gave me the rod and the tackle to hold, and he said, "I'll go first." I think I must have been about 12 years old. So I was watching his progress down these rocks, and suddenly I saw that he was going directly toward a very large, ugly black snake that was coiled up. And I could see my father was going to step on this, and I knew he was in big trouble. And I called out to him and I said, "Dad, watch out!" And he quickly looked at me, and then he looked down and he saw the snake. And then slowly but surely he walked his way up and got out of trouble. When he got to the top, he took me by the shoulders and he looked intently into my eyes and he said, "That is why it's always good to listen." I've never forgotten that, because it's such a truth that pertains to all of our lives. And you see, as Christians, many times we go through situations. Many times we face hardship. Many times we go through situations that may seem unfair and unjust. But I want to encourage you, always look for God's truth for your life in those times. You see, Paul says in 2 Corinthians chapter 4, verse 17, "For our light and momentary troubles are achieving for us an eternal weight of glory." Our light and momentary troubles are achieving for us. Paul understood that the hardship and the difficulties he was going through was working for him. We read in Hebrews 12 that no discipline is pleasant at the time. It's painful, but later on it produces a harvest of righteousness and peace for those who are trained by it. So it's possible to be disciplined. It's possible to go through these times and not learn the lesson. And my father was saying to me, he said, I want you to obey me, and I discipline you when you don't obey me. But the fruit of that, Peter, is that when you speak and I listen, it can save my life. In the same way, when I speak and you listen, it can save yours. That lesson brought the truth home to me. In every situation, God has something to say. Let's listen. Let's learn. Let's be trained by what God is doing. May the Lord help us.